I mean, look at that. Sometimes my little experiments just amaze me more than I think they will. I know every week I say it, but that literally should be illegal. The way the chili gives a nice little kick to the mango and the honey and the cream cheese, surrounded by the nuts. Even the fruit's got a nice little smoky flavour to it. Hi, I'm Schuey, and in this video I'm going to show you how to gourmet the crap out of some smoked cream cheese. Well, actually, I'm going to show you how to make the best smoked cream cheese platter. If we're going to do this, let's do it right and let's make it awesome. So just sit back, grab a drink or two, and let's get into it. We are going to need a cedar plank for this cook. Just soak it in some water for about an hour before we need to use it. Now, surely you don't need to see me pop this into some water. I'm sure you can do this on your own. I believe in you. And what you'll need to make this is some cream cheese that you've left out of the fridge to soften up. Put this into a bowl along with some honey and some mango and a little bit of chili oil. Mix this up with a fork or even your hands. Now, it doesn't have to be fully mixed, just enough to get all the ingredients mixed through a bit. Now just add this to some cling wrap and then just grab the edges and roll it up until it's nice and tight. Now you're going to want to add this to the freezer for about an hour just to allow it to harden back up. The fridge won't cut it because we've added that extra moisture with the chili oil and the mango. You can use any soft fruit that you like, and if you don't like chili, don't add it. I want to give the outside of the cream cheese log a coating. So I'm going with nuts, specifically crushed peanuts. Look at this, here's a bag I prepared earlier. Just place the nuts on a tray and just roll the hardened cream cheese log in the nuts. Now just grab the cedar plank out of the water and pat it dry. Drizzle it with some honey and place the cheese log on top of that. Now, if you don't like peanuts or you're allergic to nuts, don't use them. Use pretzels. We need to add some more to this cheese platter though. So we'll be adding some fruit. Pick whatever you like or whatever is in season at the time. I'm using a few different melons, some papaya, some raspberry and blueberries. I'm using a melon baller because the little flat spot that's created helps the balls stick to the cedar plank a lot better. And now just add the fruit on the platter in just a way that looks appealing. Now just drizzle some honey over the fruit and we can pop this in the fridge until the smoker is ready. Now hopefully by now you've subscribed to my channel, and while you're there, hit that bell button. I know a lot of you haven't and you're not getting notified every time I upload new content. Today I'm using the Z-Grill 700 pellet smoker, although you can recreate this in any hooded barbecue using my guidelines and temperatures. So with the lid open, the power on, I'm just going to turn it to the smoke setting. And this is what we want from the smoke setting. The smoke's getting started. We'll start hearing the flame, the smoke will dissipate, and we'll only see that thin blue smoke that we want when we're smoking. Now we can hear the flame, and look at that, the smoke's clearing up. So we're nearly ready. So I'm now just going to set the smoker to 107 degrees Celsius and close the lid. Once it's at temp, I'm going to add the cheese platter, close the lid and set a timer for 45 minutes. And I'd say this is a perfect time to give this video a like. Helps me out a lot, makes you feel a lot better. Or it doesn't, but it helps me out a lot. So the cream cheese roll has been smoking away for 45 minutes. It's now finally time to check on it. Oh, how good does that look? 45 minutes is more than enough time to get some smoky flavour into everything on the platter and for that cream cheese to soften right up. You know, there are others like you who love cooking and barbecue, and they've joined the Schueys Barbecue Facebook page and the Instagram account. So why don't you go check them out? The pages, not the people. That'd be a bit creepy. Today, we are smoking with an indirect heat of 107 degrees Celsius, and the entire cook is only going to take 45 minutes. So for those of you who follow my beer timer, that's a 2-beer cook. Or wine, maybe even a whiskey, considering this is a cheese and a fruit platter. How good does this look? And how easy was that to create? I'm just going to add a few mint leaves to garnish it. Then all you've got to do is add your favourite crackers. I love these little rounded flat pretzels. Now place this in the middle of any table and watch it get devoured. So using a cracker, just dig in and grab some. We all know there's only one test. That's a taste test. I know I say it every week, but that should be illegal. As always, cheers for watching.